Parking lot rides, man. I got something classic for y'all. The classic Gallardo. Boom. Woo. Look at that. Look at the wrap on that thing. Old school Gallardo. Woo.
Hey, picture's $20.
Hey, man, can I get a rain check? I love it, man. That's hard.
Thanks. Great to sell. It's fake.
It's fake. AI.
It's a Camry under it.
All right, fellas. Mexico scored one, that right?
Hey, you letting us know we on the way to go watch it.
Yeah, they just scored.
Already.
All right, fellas. Yes, sir.